Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click on Allow and tap Home button. Select iOS Launcher, choose Always, and tap Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!